Well, hello everyone. How you guys doing tonight? I got the old 4-seat Pro XP behind me. I think I'm going to attempt to do a poor man's Fender delete, maybe starting right now. As you guys know, maybe if you've seen some of the videos from previous, I rolled over on my passenger side, kind of ruined that. And then on our very first trip, I can't remember which Windrock trail it was, but you're pretty much at an angle the whole entire way and you're grinding your passenger side all the way down the trail, so that got ruined. So pretty much the rear plastic on both sides is kind of garbage. So I'm going to attempt to do a poor man's Fender delete. So obviously you can see all this is damaged. All that's damaged. All this is already broken loose. I mean, it's not all bad, but you know, this is spread out, and the other side's pretty much the same thing. The clip behind here is broken, as you can tell. Well, taillight's broken, which I'm gonna have to figure out a new taillight thing, or taillight option, but I mean, I just got a decent amount of damage back here, so I'm gonna try and come up with a quick poor man's Fender delete and see what happens. Also, eventually I'm thinking about even going with no doors, because this rear door is broken. That's from the rollover, but I'm thinking about going with no doors. Not that there won't be anything there, but they will no longer open. I might just take like a pipe or something and bring it down here to this part right here, to the B pillar, and then something back. So pretty much in order to get in, you're gonna have to climb over. But I haven't figured out if I'm gonna do that or not, but that's also another possibility because the back seat doesn't get used too often anyway. So let's see what I can come up with for the old Fender delete. All right, so I got a piece of cardboard here. I think I'm gonna start off by following right along this line right here and cutting the black plastic to there. So I got that. No, actually I think I'm going to go with this line instead. From right there to right there. So let's see what that looks like instead. Yeah, we're going to go with that instead. And then I may just take it like this. Yeah, we're gonna start with that. And honestly, if it don't end up looking great or even remotely functional, I'll just get it done the real way. But for now, we're gonna try it the cheap way.